In a world where digital connections are key, understanding network protocols is vital. Enter RPF, or Reverse Path Forwarding. This nifty little mechanism, often used in multicast routing, checks the source of received packets to prevent loops and enhance efficiency. There are two main types of RPF, strict and loose. Strict RPF validates the source against the routing table, ensuring the packet has taken the shortest path. Loose RPF, on the other hand, is more forgiving, only checking that the source is reachable. Imagine a bustling city with a network of roads. Strict RPF is like a GPS, ensuring you've taken the fastest route, while loose RPF only cares that you've reached your destination. Now think about a busy network router, a vigilant firewall, or a tireless load balancer. They all benefit from RPF. The router ensures optimal paths for data, the firewall validates sources to prevent spoofing, and the load balancer can better distribute network traffic. Dive deeper into the world of network protocols at batnetworks.com, your gateway to understanding networks. Remember, a well-routed network is a well-run network. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you on the digital frontier.
Don't miss out, smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.